Hello, this is Steve, and I'm with
Isabel.
And who do we have here?
Gracie and Bach puppies, 1 week old.
Yes, right. Gracie and Bach puppies, 1 week old. The puppy hug. Good job. So we have, this is an easy litter to remember because there's 2 black females, 1 black male, 2 yellow females, 1 yellow male. It's like perfect, 3 and 3.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
And we're going to keep one too, aren't we?
Yep.
Either a girl or a boy. We don't know yet.
Right, and we're on purple and white.
Purple or white for the girls, right?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so go ahead and lift them up one by one. Their eyes and their ears are still shut. They're just starting to get their pigment, their black pigment. You can see this is the boy, the yellow boy. See, when he turns like that, he's looking for mom because he knows there might be mama back there.
And it's probably because I'm soft too.
Yes, you are soft. Can you put his head over here though, just so we can see him? There we go. Hi, buddy. There he is.
He's like, I want my mommy. I want Milky.
The black pigment will finish the rest of the way in just a few days. Here's the pink collar girl. Try to hold her still. There we go. Hi, girl. Okay. Lime collar girl's a little bit smaller, but not by much. Don't pay a huge amount to the weights right now. They just fluctuate a lot when they're 1 to 3 weeks old. You took his pillow away. Here's the white girl. Let me get up here near the face, the high scrunchy face. Yeah. Cutie pie. All right.
This one's so sweet. It's white.
Uh-oh.
I want to keep white.
Uh-oh, she's got a favor, guys. Purple. Well, usually purple is your favorite because that's your favorite color.
Yeah.
Hi, purple girl.
But now I'm going for the look and the sweetness, not the color.
Okay. You're the expert, right? And one more. Nope. Yep. Black male. Hi, buddy. Oh, yeah. Hi, cutie pie. He's the smallest in the litter right now, but again, don't pay attention to that because that will fluctuate usually.
Smells like wood powder.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like mama, kind of? So, there's 2 yellow females, 1 yellow male, 2 black females, 1 black male. They're all spoken for. We're just giving our families an update. We take updates every week and we'll send those along. So, this is Gracie and Bach, 1 week old.